So I have started off this with this spreadsheet, Google spreadsheet that I've created. This is a simple spreadsheet that contains these 5 columns, and I'll just go to this button, and this modal will pop up whenever the user clicks at that button. And as you might see, this is the entire preview. This is the whole preview of the data that has been taken from the spreadsheet in the background. So now the user is free to perform all these different sorting methods, like sorting them from A to Z or Z to A, or getting the original format of the data, or getting it in reverse. So this is the first thing. Then the user is also free to make these use these filters. So this filter is applicable to all these columns that are present over there, and depending upon the data type of the column, these filters will be applied. So for example, if I choose marks and I apply this low to high filter, this entire data will be sorted according to that particular value. Then excuse me, the user is also free to add their own columns. So if I click on this, the user can enter the heading. Let's say I add this heading called status, and this will just let's go for fee status, and I'll just say yes, no, yes, no, and yes. So we have added this column, and the user needs to click on this save data, and as you can see, um, this data has been completely added to this particular sheet, and all these functions that the user can perform will be applied to that new column as well. So for example, if I just want to sort it from low to high on the basis of age, this will be sorted in that order, and so will be the fee structure, the new column. Then over to this other section. This is the section where the user is free to choose their where the user is free to choose their columns that they want to export out of this. Right, whenever they want to export this sheet, they can choose which columns they want to export and which columns they don't. So by default, I have made all these columns to be checked at first, and whichever column the user unchecks, that column won't be exported whenever they are exporting this. Apart from that, they also have the autonomy to change these column names. So for example, instead of marks, I can say um, number. Okay, and I'll just save the data, so that will be saved, right? So apart from that, let's say I've created this new spreadsheet, and I'll just copy this id. I'll just copy that id, and over to this I'll place that id, and I click on export. So if I just go back over here, you can see that all that data has been added, and it is added in the same order that was present in this preview. So for example, if I want to change this order, let's say I just want to sort this on the basis of marks. Let's go for high to low and apply. And if I just export this again, that data will be changed according to that. All those different operations can be performed. Let's say I want to get rid of this name column, right? So I can simply uncheck that box and click on the export button, and you can see the name has been deleted from here. So this in a nutshell is how it has been performed. I have attached the entire code on the repository that has been provided to me, and you can check it over there. Great.